Inside, everyone, now! Bury it when the rain stops.
Dad! Dad!
Oh, what is it, Henry?
Can I have my pocket money now, Dad?
Yes, in a moment.
Dad!
Oh, what is it now?
I can't find Bunny anywhere!
What have you done now, Henry?
Me? Bunny's gone! I'll never see him again!
Come on, Peter. I'm sure he's somewhere. Let's go and look for him.
Henry, do you know where Bunny is?
No. Well, not exactly.
Henry, if you want any pocket money ever again, then you'd better get Bunny back. Fast!
Oops. Better get digging. No! This'll take forever. Unless I can get somebody to help me.
So who told you there was treasure buried here?
Everyone knows that, don't they, Bert?
I don't know.
We're gonna be rich! I'm gonna buy every chocolate bar in the world!
I want my own gym.
Hey, Bert, found anything?
I don't know.
Henry!
There's something down here.
I'm gonna buy a yacht too!
It's one of these time capsules.
Huh? There's nothing in it.
No treasure?
No, nothing.
Come on, let's keep digging. I bet there never was any treasure.
How come these are all empty?
I don't know.
I'm going home. Thanks for nothing, Henry.
They were all empty. I want my bunny. Where can he be? Maybe he's been kidnapped by aliens. I want Bunny back!
Henry, you have got to find Bunny or else...
I've got to find out what happened to those time capsules. Eureka! That's it! Yes! I, Henry, have a plan.
This is a disgrace. If any of you know anything about the identity of these hooligans, please come forward.
I bet they were boys. Miss?
Henry, no!
Miss? We mustn't give in to these hooligans.
Henry? No, quite.
We should bury another capsule to show them we won't be beaten.
Excellent idea, Henry. Come on, children. What's your game? Henry, have a gold star.
Oh, thank you. Maybe the children of the future would like it.
How unusually unselfish, Henry. Well done. Right, let's get this capsule buried.
Yes. Al, you're good at digging. Shh. I mean, you probably are. Now we wait. Hands up! This is the police!
It's so easy being me. I'm Horrid.
you really think he can do it, Brian?
Watch this space.
I know they're up to something.
Margaret, my treasure.
What do you want?
We thought you might like some breakfast, Treasure Princess.
I'll be in a minute. Can't you see I'm busy?
Ah, of course, Princess Pumpkin-Nose.
I've told you not to call me that.
I'm sorry, Princess Pumpkin.
Just call me Margaret.
Yes, Margaret.
Gotcha. That was worth staying up all night for.
They're definitely up to something.
Who's up to something?
Oh, nothing. I mean, nobody. Interesting.
What's interesting?
Oh, nobody. I mean, nothing. Need any help with your jigsaw, Dad?
I can't believe you actually made one.
It wasn't that difficult in the end. I just had to get enough modal plugs and persuade my dad to give me some tech wires.
Well, I'm going to be well impressed if it works. Looks like a gizmo to me.
Cool. What colour do you want it?
Not gold. If we make lots of gold ones, then everyone will have one, and mine won't be special.
All right then, let's go for blue.
That is so
Cool.
All that fuss over a blue gizmo? Oi! What are you doing there?
Waiting for you.
Well, couldn't you have waited on your side of the fence? I could do you for trespassing, you know.
Look.
Why do I want to look at some smelly old machine? You're as bad as that lot, getting excited over a gizmo machine. Huh, I ask you.
But that's the point. It's not just a gizmo machine.
The 3D Nouveau Fangle printer makes three-dimensional solid objects from a digital file. Nope, still don't get it.
You don't have to get it, Beetle Bonce. It's like a photocopier that copies real things.
OK, I get that. That's cool.
It's very cool.
Where did you get this?
I found it under Henry's bed. He's been reading it at night.
Has he now? I wonder what he's going to do with all those gizmos then.
Oh, who cares? Think of all the things you could make with a 3D printer.
Like?
Ooh, the fairy cakes and pennies for the animal charity and number gnomes.
Oh, I get it. Tutus and tiaras and bossy boots and...
Anyway, I just thought you should know.
Well, thank you, Peter. We'll keep it to ourselves for the moment, shall we? Oh, all those boodle poodles. All mine.
Can't believe you made all these overnight.
Yep, and Brian reckons he can set it to print even faster.
Can I trade 3 filibuster fizzes for 1 gizmo?
Make it 5 and it's a deal.
OK.
I thought it was cash or nothing.
This is the new barter economy, Henry. We'll take what we can get.
OK, cool.
Just don't make any more blue ones.
Why not?
Rarity value.
You what?
Can't have too many in the market, otherwise the price will go down.
How do you know all this?
I watch Business for Boys.
Oh, yeah, Mum won't let me watch that either. Night, Mum. I'm getting an early night. Hey, Fang, fancy a game of slime seesaw?
Yeah.
Good shot, Fang!
It's so easy being me. I'm Horrid Henry.
had a plan. I'd teach you to eat rubbish so I'd never have to clean up ever again. Did you ring the bell? Brilliant! Wait here a minute. Wow, that plant can move by itself.
Henry! You can't have finished already!
All right. Oh, this is exhausting. Yay, finished! Oh, time for a little rest. Oh, stupid Peter and his stupid plant waking me up so early.
It's for me! We've come to see your plant. How's it doing? Ta-da! Ooh, it's lovely! How do you get it to grow so big? Regular nutritious food. And I've been reading it poetry. Ooh, yes!
It especially likes sardines.
Are you going to play a game, boys?
Oh, yes! What a super idea! What shall we play? Sardines, of course!
How lovely! Shall I take your plant up to your room, Peter?
Yes, please, Mum. Sam and I will count. Gordon, you hide.
Oh, goody!
1, 10. Coming ready or not? I wonder if they're in here.
Hey, some of us are napping.
Have you seen Gordon or Sam anywhere?
No, I was asleep, fungus head. All I've seen was the inside of my eyelids. I was asleep.
But
Out!
aha! I bet they're in here. Nope, not in here. And don't worry, I haven't forgotten about you, my little friend. It must be nearly feeding time.
Get on my bed!
Am I dreaming? You ate Moody Margaret! Yes! Oh, yeah! Margaret's plant food! No more Margaret! Oh, no! You don't want to eat me? There's lots of other delicious people to eat first, like Miss Battleaxe and Soggy Sid and that old lady who always lets her dog wheel my leg, and Peter. Plant, I command you. Eat perfect, Peter.
Oh, there you are, Henry.
Yes?
Who were you talking to?
Your plant. It's eaten Margaret, and now it's going to eat you.
My plant? You are funny, Henry. Plants don't eat people.
I must be dreaming.
Oh, feeding time.
I'm off to watch TV.
There you are, little planty wanty. Lovely, nutritious food. What a silly Billy.
It's so easy being me. I'm Horrid Henry.
I can hear your brain working.
Oh, I'm thinking about working hard.
You feeling all right, Henry?
No, not me. My dad.
Your dad's thinking about working hard.
Not thinking about it. He is working hard. Too hard, I reckon.
Is he still watching Boodle Poodles?
Don't think he's got time for that.
Oh, if you haven't even got time to watch your favourite TV show, then something's got to change.
Hey! Watch out!
Something wrong, Slugsnot?
Yeah, you snot for brains.
Ah, write me a letter, Wormbreath, so I can file it under Beetle Brain.
Thanks, Bogey Brain!
For what?
I can see you, Henry. Go on then. Quickly now.
Hello, Henry. Glass of water time again?
Yep, more paperwork.
Yep. More toothbrushes, too. Seems people can't get enough of tingly toothbrushes, which is a good thing.
But a bad thing too, because it means even more work for you.
That's right, Henry. Still mustn't complain. Don't think the number gnomes can help me this time, Henry.
Dear Mr. Bob, please could you make sure that my dad doesn't have too much work to do? It's not a good thing for him to have too much work to do, and it's not a good thing for you either, because he won't be able to keep up with counting the toothbrushes. Signed, a well-wisher. P.S. He likes Boodle Poodles. In fact, he really loves them, and he says he can't even find time to watch them nowadays. That's a bad thing. Yeah, I know. Boodle Poodles. Just as well I haven't inherited my dad's bad taste in TV shows. To Bossy Bob. Oops, better not call him that. To Mr. Bob, boss of Tingly Toothbrushes, somewhere near Ashton, the world, the universe. What comes after the universe? Good question, that. But maybe not one we can answer right now. Let's hope this does the trick.
Good night, Peter.
Night, Henry.
And so, if you've ever wondered why deep space looks broadly the same on all sides of the sky, it may have something to do with the waves of gravitational energy which have an even greater impact on the cosmic microwave background. And may indeed contribute to the theory of everything.
The theory of everything? Does that even exist?
So, if you've ever wondered what comes after the universe... Enter!
Please, Miss Oddbod wants Henry to go to her office now because there's a limousine come to take him away.
Typical. Just when you're about to learn something interesting, along comes a limousine. As I was saying, the universe can wait, because this is really, really cool. Oops, sorry.
Henry,
Hello, Mr. Bob.
you're probably wondering why you're here.
Well,
Thank you for your letter, Henry.
how did you know it was from me?
I'm very clever, Henry.
Well, yes.
And you called your dad my dad.
Ah, yes. That would have been a bit of a giveaway.
Do you know what I like most about your letter, Henry?
No?
It showed spirit. Where others might have been faint-hearted, you were brave. Where others might have told lies, you told the truth.
Right.
I have a son, Henry.